ki khubor ka bate CTV. Lawan Rashaphi taka Frank Motors. Visit Frank Motors or call 7045207973.
MIT University of Meghalaya. Our admissions are now open for the academic year 2024-25. Explore our best courses. Experience global collaborations. Apply today.
Step into paradise at Mausen Telang Nongwar. Your sustainable escape into nature's heart.
North Liberty Higher Secondary School Klayok Korea ka nam overall champion jaga lempung ilek kai district level inter-school athletic meet aracar pusau lepenya the office jong district sports officer West Jaintia Hills District ringkat ka jenga trailang ke West Jaintia District Sports Association Hamadan Kiang Nangba Stadium Johai hakalai trik Jemang. Kini kelawan hadin bagi North Liberty Higher Secondary School Klayok Khor ke South League tak maksiar, kat Art League tak marupa, but South League tak marnong, but Klayok Khoru ya kenam Best Athlete, haga kedan on the 14, 16, but 18 na kaliang gikintay. Ya kenam Best Athlete jaga kedan on the 14 na kaliang gishinrang, layo da ka Advertisements Higher Secondary School, belami khmat, du Stephen Wakambam, Daimeri, haga junior cop shot pun. Karbana kaliang gikintay layo da ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School belami khmat da ka Iban Etilot Shilla haga junior cop marek bandru pomita. Haga kedan on the 16 na kaliang gishinrang layo da ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School belami khmat du tailang mi I Pawa haga junior cop marek ka 4,000 meter. Karbana kaliang gikintay layo da ka School North Liberty Higher Secondary School belami khmat da ka Elat Kikso haga junior cop marek ka 4 meter. Haga kedan on the 18 na kaliang gishinrang layo da ka School Government Boys Higher Secondary School belami khmat du yo ik san lingdo haga junior cop marek ka 4 meter kat bana kaliang gikintay layo da ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School belami khmat da ka Degrisha Dan haga junior cop marek ka 4 meter. Ya kenam best team haga kedan on the 14 na kaliang gishinrang bagi kintay layo da ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School da ka bakhur santli kitak maksir bat santli kitak marupa bat kuwe katak marnong. Haga kedan on the 16 na kaliang gishinrang layo da ka Government Boys Higher Secondary School da ka bakhur santli kitak maksiar lightly kitak marupa but artly kitak marnong. Kat bana kaliang gikintay layo da ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School da ka bakhur southly kitak maksiar santli kitak marupa but kowe kitak marnong. Haga kedan on the 18 na kaliang gishinrang layo da ka School Government Boys Higher Secondary School da ka bakhur artly kitak maksiar but santli kitak marupa. Kabana kaliang gikintay layo da ka North Liberty Higher Secondary School da ka bakhur santli kitak maksiar artly kitak marupa but artly kitak marnong.
Discipline school. Let us all give them a big hand. The best discipline school. Let us all give them.
And as I have learned that the number of participants, the schools and the students has actually increased by each from year to year. Perhaps there was more participation last year, but because of certain issues, technical issues like certainly the age and the from Aadhaar, maybe it was it just come down to 25 schools, but nevertheless there's a very good number of schools that's participating and taking part in games and sports and athletics in particular. Yes, West Jaintia Hills has brought fame and glory to the district. The students, the participating students, by being the overall champions last year. That shows the dedication and the hard work, especially of the coaches, of the teachers, of the schools who have recognized the talents that the students have to participate in athletics.
Discipline school. Let us all give them a big hand. Congratulations, Anand Secondary School.
Now